Hello everyone! So we're going on a tour today. So ito yung aming Klook bus going to Yeollyu, Shifen Waterfall, and Jufen. So magkano nga ba ang cost nitong tour? As far as I can remember, parang we paid around 1,700 plus per person. Yung pickup location ng bus namin was at the Shimen MRT station. So for this tour, merong kasamang English-speaking na tour guide. So tara, come walk with us as we visit these places. Bumaba na kami sa bus. We're here now sa Yeollyu. Malamig. Sarap ang lamig-lamig. Okay, kailangan muna namin mag-CR daw kasi we have to be back at the bus around 12:15. We're going inside. Tama. Walking na. Okay.
We're all covered.
Ayan. By the way, we traveled during the month of February. So malamig talaga. Oh, teka. Mukha kang ninja assassin, no? Ninja assassin. Ay! Anyway, yung isang friend namin, magpapaiwan na lang banda dito. Kasi feeling niya, if she goes any further, baka hindi na kayanin ang tuhod niya. So, kaming tatlo na lang muna mag-i-explore dito. So, tara! Let me just show you this beautiful place.
Feels like fall. Good. Ikot pa more. Teka, nahihilo na ako.
Dan, gusto mo dyan? Paganyan ka?
Hindi, maganda yung kita yung madaming ganun. Ay, alam, ito, I'll give you. So, we're back inside the bus. On to our next destination. I just got off the bus. Oh, where ba? Yan yung aming tour guide, yung naka-blue jacket. Si Pooh. Napakabait niya, sobra. So, konting lakad lang para makarating sa Shifen Old Street. Ayan na. So, yan na yung Shifen Old Street. May rin dito. Oh, kasi yan yung ano, parang yung rail tracks, oo. So, ito yung shop na naka-assign sa tour namin for our lanterns. So, magla-lantern release kami. So, ganito, pag nakuha nyo na yung lantern ninyo, magsusulat kayo ng mga wishes ninyo sa lantern mismo. So, sulat nyo lang lahat ng mga wishes ninyo, mga desires ninyo. Whether it's for financial success, good health, better job, mga ganon. Basta sulat nyo lahat ng mga wishes ninyo. Malay mo naman, magkatotoo, di ba? Ayan. So, kami naman ang magla-lantern release. So, it's our turn. Ayan yung sa amin. Na-interrupt yung lantern release namin kasi may darating na train. Ayan. Train is coming daw. Ayan. O, dito lang ako. Mahirap lang sumabit. So, guys, make sure to keep a safe distance from the train kasi mahirap na mahagip. Ayan, balik na ulit. Hawak-hawak.
Hawak-hawak.
Ayan na. Yan, sindihan na.
Okay, papakongge, papakongge.
Baba daw ng konti.
Okay, hawak. Mamaya.
So anyway, our lantern was released. Wala lang akong video. So we're looking for a place to eat. Actually, gusto namin mag-Xiaolongbao. Hot milk tea. Grabe, super sarap ng milk tea na to. Promise.
Oo. Hindi nga yung tourist nila. Dapat ginagano natin yung tourist.
We're back on the bus. Going to our next stop. Okay, we're going to the waterfalls. So maglalakad na kami going to Shifen Waterfall. Anyway, kung may kasama kayong elderly and mga toddlers na madaling mapagod, and also yung mga may problems with mobility, I suggest na huwag na kayong maglakad all the way hanggang sa may waterfall. First of all, there are several flights of steps na steep. Yung mga hagdan na matatarik. And also, medyo uneven yung ground. And then, may madadaanan ka pang suspension bridge. So, kung may problem ka sa tuhod or sa mobility mo or madali kang mapagod, siguro huwag ka nang tumuloy hanggang doon. So, ito na yung suspension bridge.
Uy, nako.
Para malayo siya.
Okay, so nakakalula apparently to walk here. Kasi gumagalaw yung bridge. So, lakad pa more. Yan. Tara. Mga 15 to 20 minute walk to going to the waterfall. So, banda dito, meron tayong madadaanan ng mga shops na nagtitinda ng mga souvenirs and also mga food. Ayan na ang hagdan. Ah, maiksi lang naman yung stairs. Tara. So yeah, nandito na kami in one of the viewing platforms here. Actually, there are several viewing platforms. Merong mataas, meron din mas mababa. So dito, talagang mas maganda ang view here for picture taking. Pero grabe. If you come here, you have to be ready to walk. Make sure kaya ng tuhod ninyo. Grabe ang ganda. So beautiful. Okay, dyan kami. Galing kami dun. Alin? Kapagod. Okay, back on the bus. So we're going to our last stop at Jufen Old Street. We just got off the bus. Ayan, so magsha-shuttle bus kami going to Jufen. Ayan. So bumaba na kami sa shuttle bus. Walk kami. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna stay here up to 6:15. Ito na, dito yung entrance.
Ay, ito yun. Yung masarap na bushi.
Mamaya, kainin natin lahat yan. Oo. Actually, hindi ko pa natatry yun. So we were not able to go to the Ame Tea House, which was supposedly the inspiration for the movie Spirited Away. Pagod na kasi lahat. Anyway, I was able to see that 2 years ago when I was here. Pero I would suggest na daanan nyo siya kasi it's worth visiting naman. Lalo na kung hindi ka papagod. So the best thing to do here is just to go shopping. Buy souvenirs, buy Taiwanese snacks. And by the way, dito rin ako nakabili ng good quality oolong tea. Since I'm an oolong tea fan, bumili na ako ng madami. So this is the end of the tour. Dito kami din wrap off sa Raho Night Market. Siya yung aming tour guide. That's Winnie the Pooh. So from here, kanya-kanya na kaming transportation going back to our respective hotels. And this is just another spot for food trip. So anyway, hanggang dito na lang. This is Nell. Bye!